March 18, 2026. We are now on day 77 out of 365 days of our Abundant Life series. John chapter 14, verse 18. No, I will not abandon you as orphans. I will come to you. Today's topic title, God says, I will not abandon you. I hear your constant prayer asking me to be with you and those you care about as you face the daily realities of life in this world. And while I love for you to ask me for what I've promised to provide, sometimes this request reveals that you doubt this foundational promise of my covenantal relationship with you. Perhaps you seek some physical evidence of my presence, some miraculous demonstration that you are not forgotten. Hear my call to find the assurance you need, not in a supernatural experience, but in my sure and certain word. When you feel abandoned on your own, do not listen to those feelings. Instead, rely firmly on my promise. I have already answered your request to be with you even before it leaves your lips. I am with you, but more significantly, I am in you. I have come to you as helper, counselor, comforter, spirit of truth, advocate, and teacher to dwell not only with you, but in you. Kahit saang sulok ka ng mundo ngayon, especially tayo mga Pilipino, no, parang may kasabihan, parang joke na din ba na may, sabi nila na wala daw sulok ng mundo na walang Pilipino dahil tayo mga Pilipino kahit saang sulok ng mundo may Pilipino talaga, either nakapag-asawa ng mga taga ibang bansa at nanirahan na doon. Yung iba naman is mga OFW, di ba? Ang dami nating mga kababayan na nagtatrabaho sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo, Middle East, mga ganyan. So, with everything that's happening right now, yeah, it's very unstable, mga nangyayaring mga gera and everybody is affected din talaga ba? Either directly or indirectly were affected. But this is also the time no na really have to hold on to God's promise that He will not abandon us. And there are a lot of things na beyond our understanding, but God has His own reason no, sa lahat ng nangyayari ngayon. And yes, just know that God will not abandon us.